Namaste everyone, this is Vatika Reddy from 6th standard from Mahbub Nagar Grammar School. Today I am going to shoot a video on how I am spending this COVID-19 holidays. So please watch. Due to COVID-19 we got some holidays. In that holidays I am doing so many activities like drawing, singing, dancing. So in this video I will show you the activities. So the first activity is drawing. I will show my drawing pictures, so please watch them. So this is my drawing book. This is my first drawing, moon camp, outline diagram of cat, wave, moon, pencil drawing, pencil drawing, pencil drawing, love you mom and dad, and flamingo. And always, what we should always smile. And one butterfly. And then tangled fish, and love you mom, and one cuckoo is sitting on a dried tree in the springtime. Now I will dance for the song. Now I will sing a song that is Muttugare Yashoda. Muttugare Yashoda, Mugiti Muttyamu Vidu, Tittarani Mahimala, Devaki Sutudu, Antanita Gulletala, Aracheti Manikyamu, Pantamani Kamsuni, Palita Vajramu, Kantula Mudu Lokala, Garuda Pacha Pusa, Kantula Mudu Lokala, Garuda Pacha Pusa, Chintala Maloduna, Chinni Krishnudu. Now I am going to fold a bed sheet. So all the sides should be equal. Folding the bed sheet completed. Now I am cleaning the windows. So with white paper or with one cloth we can do like this. Then it will be clear. Let's Now I will cut brinjal. So first we should cut the top like this. And see the brinjal, I cutted it. So everyone, thank you for watching the video and enjoy with your family members. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.